Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the result of the soap process that we started yesterday. So the soap has been solidified. These are soap made from used cooking oil, the cooking oil that I use in the kitchen. So let me show you, just hold on. These are the used cooking oil, so I didn't want to throw them away, so I have to recycle it to turn it into soap. So right now I'm going to be unmolling this soap so that it can cure. So you look at it, come bring the camera closer. So you see our soap, so it come out in the design of the mold. So that is our homemade soap from recycled cooking oil. So this soap, we are going to leave it for like 6 weeks to fully cured. The soap has to still undergo some process for some weeks before we can actually use it, so that the lye solution can actually work very well. You can see how beautiful it is. See how beautiful it is. That is our used cooking oil turned into soap. I have to be gentle with it because it's not fully strong. Wow, I'm so proud. This is actually the first time I'm making soap. This is my first time of making soap. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. Learning new things every day. So this is my homemade soap from my cooking. Thank you very much guys. Please like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. This is Sensational Lifestyle with Helen. I learn new things every day. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Love this video, share and also leave a comment from this to this. Okay.